Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a beautiful, sharp VH-3 vertical horizontal milling machine. Unit is like new. We took it out of a high school. I don't know what a high school would do with a mill this large, but they had it. All original paint. Table is perfect. I mean, a couple little scratches there, but no real tool marks. Table is 11.5 by 51.25. 40 taper in the vertical, 50 taper in the horizontal. There's your horizontal support hanging on the back of the column. All original paint. Currently wired for 460 volt. They are dual voltage, so you can rewire them for low voltage. It has a tapping function on it. Power feed X, Y, and knee with rapids on all three. And power down feed on the quill. There's your pendant. There's your horizontal control. There's your chip pan. I'll run the horizontal spindle first. I have it in tapping right now, so I'll show you the tapping. Tapping is just instant reverse with the joystick switch. So that's tapping. We'll flip the switch to milling. We have it in low speed right now, we're lowering it. Table. Power feed on. Power feed to the left. The handle three wheels. There's your rapid to the left. Power feed to the right. Rapid to the right. Feeding in. Wrap it in. Box weighs, so it's a nice rigid machine. The part that I really like is the power knee. It'll feed up, and you can wrap it up. Wrap it down. There's coolant, but we won't run that. It's not full right now anyway. But the coolant does work. So there you have the chip pan. Go over it again. We have the knee crank. We take it off so we don't walk into it in the shop, but the knee crank's in good shape. Table is excellent. Knee is excellent. It will come with some 40 taper holders. I didn't sort any out for the pictures, but I do have 40 taper holders. Paint is all original. The only thing this machine could really use is a good digital readout, but the machine is like new. Replacement cost on one of these right now is somewhere just over $70,000 from shop. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.